Look, you absolutely can manage a rental property yourself. And when everything is going right, it might even seem pretty easy. You've got a good tenant, rent shows up every month, nothing breaks. You start thinking, why would I pay someone to do this? Fair question. But here's the thing about property management. You don't really need the expertise when everything is going right. You need it when something goes wrong. The rent doesn't show up on the first. Your tenant suddenly has a laundry list of expensive repairs, and you're trying to figure out what's legitimate, what you're responsible for, and who you can actually trust to fix it. Your property has been sitting vacant for 6 weeks, and you have no idea whether the problem is the price, the property, or the marketing. Or maybe you've reached the point where you need to evict someone, and suddenly you're dealing with notices, deadlines, documentation, and a legal process you've probably never dealt with before. Then there are the surprises. A pipe bursts on Saturday night. Someone gets hurt at the property. A tenant threatens to call an attorney. Or April rolls around and you realize your rental property accounting system consists of a checking account, a shoebox full of receipts, and some very optimistic record keeping. This is usually the point where being a landlord stops feeling like passive income. Here's the good news. We've seen this movie before. A professional property manager deals with these situations every day. We have systems for screening tenants, collecting rent, handling maintenance, documenting issues, marketing vacant properties, and dealing with problems before they turn into much bigger problems. We have vendors we can call. We know when you need specialized help. And most importantly, we're not figuring it out for the first time. That's a big part of what you're really paying for with professional property management. It's not just collecting rent and answering maintenance calls. It's experience, it's systems, and it's having someone in your corner who knows what to do next. Will that guarantee nothing ever goes wrong? Of course not. But good management can prevent a lot of problems from happening in the first place. And when something does happen, you have an experienced team ready to deal with it. And if you're watching this because something has already gone wrong, it's not too late to bring in professional help. We'll help you understand your options, work through the problem you're dealing with today, and put the right systems in place so you're a lot less likely to end up right back here again. Give us a call today.